Amon is blowing balloons for the small kids. By the way, I'm also there. I'm the paparazzi. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. These are all the kids who are not yet done with their crafts. They're actually jealous. I've seen some beautiful crafts here. Cut it. All right. Stop. So the day one lesson was the forbidden fruit, and the kids were learning about how sin came into the world. And yeah, so they were coloring these circles, cutting them out, and making their Adam and Eve wheels. It was fun. It's like day one actually really ran smoothly. Yeah, we had a great time. Okay. All right. So Cleo is managing the kids' bed so that they stay in an orderly fashion while the other kids are coming to get their snack. Speaking of snacks, these are the snacks that we were blessed with before VBS began, and you would never think they would finish, but actually we're just left with the last ones for tomorrow, Friday. Thank you to all of you subscribers who have given, who wrote me and gave. Your gifts have also gone to the hall, the hiring of pots, and the food for Saturday. So thank you so much. It's been a blessing. You have to see this. Oh my goodness. I'm just like, how many are we? And have we got enough craft stuff? That's a lot. So yesterday they were late and we told them to hurry. When it says 10 past, when it says 10:30, they must start running. So we found them waiting for us today. That's a lot. So this was day 2. These were the kids who were in the lesson while others were in the craft. And at this point, we just did the craft as a coloring paper. And yeah, so day 1, actually, we started with 70 kids. Funny enough, on day 2, we had 70 waiting at the door. And then by the time that We finished day 2, almost had 100 kids. We're just shy of 100. And we're actually quite relieved that the crafts were enough. So yeah, that's the breaking of bread. Day 2 with emphasis on Jesus' sacrifice on the cross.
Day number 3,
And
this
these pictures
was
are from day
breakfast with the
3.
risen
This
Jesus
is
by
the
the beach.
breakfast with the
So the
risen
kids start off by coloring,
Savior
and then
by
they
the
start to
sea,
put their tissue paper to
and
make their sky
emphasis
and their
being that
clouds and the sand
he's alive,
afterwards.
he's not
They
dead
never really
anymore,
got around to doing the
and he
fire because they
defeated
were rather
death for
slow.
us.
But the power
And
of influence, and
yeah,
we must
this
use it for
particular
good
craft,
when
I
we are
guess, got
aware
a
that
lot
we
of
have it.
attention
I had just
from the
painted
other
Jesus
kids
wearing
because
blue,
the next
and
day,
I
which
saw
was
at
day
first
3,
when I started to record
we
the small
had
kids that all of them had
what
Jesus
was that,
wearing
day
blue.
4?
And then
We
when
had
I
more
went to the
kids than
tables,
we
I noticed
anticipated.
all the
Actually, there
older
were more
kids had the
kids than the
same.
100 craft that we had set
And
aside.
yeah, we
We had
influence
to become
quietly
quite
without being
creative.
aware, but when we have
It
influence,
was
we
a lot
must
of
use
work
it for
trying
good.
to
So yeah, I
create
just had a
another
small
day for
opportunity to
craft.
take photos.
It was pretty and
Before the
blue. I
phone
wish I could
died,
have taken all
because
of
we're not
them
able to charge
in the
previous day
hall,
because
sitting
of the
side by
weather.
side. But
So
it was the day that
yeah.
we ran out of battery because we're not able to charge. So anyway, breakfast with Jesus by the sea. Hey guys, it's day number 4. So it's been a challenge recording the videos because our hands have literally been on deck. Oh my word, we had asked so many people to help, and there were promises but the promises haven't come through in the week when we need the help the most. So anyways, it's been me, Amon, and Cleo. Literally, when the kids are doing crafts, at least 2 of us are with the kids while the other one is doing a lesson or doing a game. So because you have to split them so that they can be smaller groups. Anyways, it's been so hectic. The clips are there, but they are small. And then yesterday, day number 3, so on Monday it rained, and then it's been cloudy and windy. So whenever there's clouds and winds, it affects network. And also we charge with solar, so when it's cloudy it affects charging, so we haven't been able to charge. But yeah, we've got a little bit of a few clips. Hopefully it will give you an idea of what we've been doing throughout the week. And today is day number 4. So my idea was I was going to put day 1 and 2 together and put day 3, 4, 5 together in one video, and Saturday by itself. So anyway, since it's day 4 and we still haven't uploaded because of network issues and charging phone issues, so I'll put 4 days together. So anyways, we're on our way to the hall, and day number 4. The week flew fast. It's been like endless running. But yeah, the kids have had a blast. It's been work for us, but it's been good fun. So this is day 4. So we asked them to do a queue so that they don't stampede over the little kids, and they are so on time. We've learned to honor time. The rush is to get the best seats. They are picky about which seats they want to sit on. Amahlo lingavali kakhulu sizaqhuma so that we can see through the mask. I was asking the kids not to paint too much over the eyes. We wanted to see the lines so that we're able to follow it and cut out the eyes when the time comes. More chairs. Alright. I have a fear that we might have more than 100 kids. the second group that's painting. So this is what we're doing. We had 115 kids that we counted. That means our papers are short, so we're making extra. Well done, Mike. These are the horrors of working with paint. So we have to clean all this. Thankfully, it's none. It's a water paint, so it should come off easy. But it will be a little bit of work. Alright, thank you, Sharp. Kusasa, 11 o'clock, ne? Bye-bye. Tomorrow. End of day 3. When you ask the boys to stop running, stop sliding, this is the work they give you afterwards. The curtains are pulled down.
Give me the chair.
Day 3 is over. Amon is tired. He's been finished.
No, I'm finished. I did a lot of walking around than actual help. Going home up and down.
We had about 120 kids, so it got a bit stressful trying to make an extra craft for the other 20.
Yeah.
It felt like it wasn't finishing. So we used the crafts from the other days that were left over because they are all in hard paper. So since it was a piggy mask, we traced the piggy mask and gave the kids to complete their pig to go and paint it. Yeah. And then it was a mission opening all the eyes for the kids, and we try to help the small ones, but sometimes you get a few big ones that are like, please help me, and helping them to put ribbon. Yeah. So we were told today after the other kids had gone that the hall is being used by another group tomorrow. So Amon has just stopped to inquire straight from the horse's mouth because we heard it through the grapevine. So anyways, I hope it's gonna go well. Otherwise, we might have to craft outside. I don't know if it's possible because today it started to drizzle just before the kids left. So I don't know if it will be possible, but anyways, hope that you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, bye.